Hello guys, my name is Kalpana Mahadik. I completed my graduation in computer application. After my graduation, I joined as faculty engineer. Sometime I work as a lecturer. After that, I joined Tikona Internet as a corporate trainer. So today we are here. So I will give short demo on the OSI reference model. OSI reference model is have a 7 layers. In that we have to see one by one what these layers do. In this OSI reference model is practically how it's work. This cable, how the data will transfer from one layer to another layer, how our computer data is travel through source to destination. So let's go for this today's demo. OSI reference model includes 7 layers. The first is physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, and application layer. So here we through the first layer, that is physical layer. What it means? Physical in the name is also known as how the connectivity is do. The physically how the data will travel. So in this one we have to include cables. Your computer, your cables, your NIC cards. That is a network cable where we connected. Then here our data is come to bit size of data, that is zeros and ones. Then the second layer comes, that is data link layer. In data link layer, our data is transferred into a frames. Frames means we have to add some data and the address. In this data link layer, we have two sub layers. One is MAC and second is LLC. Means the MAC is what? Media access control. This media access control connected to the physical layers. Means it's work on the RNIC card. And the second layer, that is the sub layer, is LLC. That means the logical link control is to third layers, that is a network layers. Means the logical address is going to define. So let's go for network layer, that is the third layer of OSI model. This is the layer where our routers are works. Means here the data will be converted into packets. Here this layer is going to assign the destination address. Then it's select a best path, means best route to select to travel our data to destination. That is the main work on here. And here it's going to work on the IP addresses, that is the IP. Then let's go for a fourth layer, that is transport layer. Here it's no need anything to layer or nothing but transport actually, but it's very important function work on here, that is our data, our connectivity, our segments going to check, and then it data will be acknowledgement for either it is a connected oriented or connection less oriented. I meant to say that if you have a connection oriented, that is the best thing is that we will get the acknowledgement. We have to track our data, where it's go, how it's go. That is the main thing in a cable connectivity connection. That is connection oriented. Then the data will be come into the segments. It's come to the data into the one segment. Then we're going to check whether the data is, means in short we're going to take the acknowledgement between the layers. After that we go to the session layers. In here, if for example our data going to in between our data is stopped, something happen, so this we're going to check using our full duplex or half duplex or simplex, how the data will be communicate with the source to destination. After that, we come to the sixth layer, that is presentation layer. In short, presentation means what? If I send some application or if I send some data to the destination, so that the application, for example, whether it's a text or PDF or IC keys or whether it's a images, it's going to open on the destination, right? So the last layer is application layer. In the application layer, we have to, our data is come to the bit, right? That is the zeros and ones is encrypted format. So that encrypted format data, we are going to open it in our computer. So here we are going to use some kind of protocols. That means your FTP or HTTP or Telnet, whatever it is. So all these kind of protocols we are going to use in the application layer. This is nothing but our OSI reference model. That is a basic idea of a OSI reference model. So if you want to see, we want to see the details, right? So this is the OSI reference model. Thank you. Thank you so much.